Why do Python developers write super? Look at this code. We have a class called animal and another class called dog. Inside dog, Python developers often write this strange line, super. Why? And what does it actually do? Here's the interesting part. Dog inherits everything from animal, but when you create a dog, sometimes you also want animal to do its setup first. That's exactly what super does. It calls the parent class automatically. For example, if animal creates a name, super makes sure dog gets that name too, without rewriting the same code again. So instead of copying code or calling the parent class manually, Python lets you simply write super. It's cleaner, easier to maintain, and if you ever change the parent class, your child class keeps working correctly. That's why experienced Python developers use super all the time. Now I want to know, did you already know what super actually does? Write yes or no in the comments.